Hello, primero bachillerato. Forget BCSA. It is Megan here, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about what you guys have to do, okay? Vale, primero voy a hablar un poco en español para que ya todo tenemos sentido lo que hay que hacer, ¿vale? Lo que vosotros tenéis que hacer, voy a mandar página unidad 3, unit 3, y también otra página 34 y 36 y 37, de vocabulario y de leer, ¿vale? Entonces, en vez de tener clase, puedes hacer eso sin escuchar a mí. Pero bueno, te voy a dar bastante pistas aquí y también vamos a tener un examen al principio de febrero sobre el vocabulario y cosas. Entonces, viene bien. Y bueno, es un vídeo que voy a poner en YouTube. Entonces yo puedo ver si vas a ver todo o las dos personas que ha visto en completo. ¿Ok? Vale. Entonces, lo que tienes que hacer es este documento. Por ejemplo, dice, are the following sentences true or false? Mark T or F. Correct the false sentences without changing the word in color. Type the answer. Okay? So, the words in bold are vocabulary words. Pay attention, encourage, sense of belonging, support, and whatnot. So what you have to do is, if you don't pay attention, you will miss something important. That is true. Okay? Prestar atención. Alright? Es importante prestar atención en clase, video, cosas así. Okay? Number 2, teachers encourage students when they give them low marks. Alright? That is false. Okay? Usually, you are not encouraged when you get low marks. So that is false. Okay? So you will do it like that. And so here in the book, we're talking about Unit 3. This is all about education. So the first one is, they say, the great aim of education is not knowledge, but action. Okay? The root of education are bitter, but the fruit is sweet. So the roots of education. That means, a lot of hard work, but then later it pays off. Okay, I think Aristotle is onto something. And number 3, change is the end result of all learning. Okay? So you can agree or disagree, but that's to warm you up. And then you have just what we are doing. Okay? It says here, let me see if I can move the video a little bit. Are the following sentences true or false? This is just what we did. If you don't pay attention, you may miss something important. Oh, sometimes it's true. Teachers encourage students when they give them low marks. We already talked about that. False, but I don't see it here. True. They wrote it false. Being in a team can give you a sense of belonging. What do you think? Being part of a team, a sense of belonging, that is, sorry. Teachers encourage students when they get students involved in the classroom. And next one, being on a team can give you a sense of belonging. That is true. Okay. Students who feel secure are shy about expressing their opinions. Those students who feel secure. No, usually that's students aren't shy. Okay, students who feel secure are confident about expressing their opinion. So you all can finish if 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then this part over here says, give an example of the following. Type the answers. This is like you all have on your exams that a lot of times you struggle with. So again, these words are the words in blue are the vocabulary words. Something you like to add to the school curriculum. Okay? We'll just see curriculum, what you all study, driving lessons. In the United States, you can have driving lessons at school. So it's not part of the, what is that place called? DGT. It's not the same. Discipline in your school. Students are required to leave the classroom for a specific period of time if they disrupt a lesson. Okay? Is that how discipline works in your school? or not. Something you have achieved this year, okay? Hopefully it's that you've passed English, but if you haven't, keep going. Getting into the football team, that could be achievement for some people. Number 4, an assignment you did recently. Hopefully this one. You all should know what assignment is. A presentation about virtual reality devices. We did do something very similar to that. Number 5, 6, 7, 8, you all can do on your own. And last thing for now is look at these graphs, okay? Let's see if it'll come up. There it is. It says look at the infographic and answer the questions. Type the answer. Which country has the longest, shortest days? So you look here at this graph that it's not, here's size of classes, here's length of school days. All right, so you see China, those kids are working hard, France, United States, Finland, and United Kingdom. So which one has the longest and which one has the shortest? China has the longest day, whereas Finland has the shortest. But Finland does the best on those PISA exams. Which has the smallest and largest classroom size, or classes? So you see China, 54 students in a class. And you know, they all behave, so I don't know how they do it. France, 25, United States, 23. That's not true. Finland, 19, and United Kingdom, only 19. I didn't know that. So which has the smallest and largest classes? The UK has the smallest classes and China has the largest. Where do students spend the most and least time doing homework? So time spent on homework. Let me skim down there. And you guys can't see this very well, so let me move this over. Okay. In China, no, that's sorry. Number of students happy at school. Time spent on homework, 12.5. That's sticking with China. 10, 7.5. United States. Then we have Finland. They're at the bottom. You see it here. That they have Finland there. United States. So students in China spend the most time doing homework, and students in Finland spend the least. I guess that is per day? No, per week. Wow, only 2.5 in Finland, United States. I would say that's about right with my education. And in China, over 12. Where do students feel the happiest, least happiest? Does this have any connection with classroom size or length of the school day? So number of students happy at school, China 85%. France 81, United States 80. I cannot believe they're all happy over there in China. Finland 67 and United Kingdom 83. Okay, so in China, students feel happiest, and in Finland, they feel the least happy. I don't know how true this is. But base your results on this chart, okay, not what your opinion is. There doesn't seem to be a connection between happiness and class size, length of the school days, and time spent on homework, because Chinese students are the happiest students despite spending more time at school, sharing classes with more students, and having the most homework. Okay, so that is all. All right, hope you all got something out of this. I'll see you in the next video.